As 3D printers become more affordable and therefore more accessible, having one to bring your ideas and creations to life is less of a luxurious pipe dream and more of a practical investment. Whether you're a hobbyist or an aspiring inventor, there are 3D printers that are best for your needs. The rise of this consumer kin has yielded amazing devices for designers, engineers, hobbyists, tinkerers, and schools alike. There are many products available to choose 3D printers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 3D printers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Best 3D printer for precision. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is the best 3D printer for precision, providing outstanding accuracy and high-quality prints, with remarkable ease of use. This printer's user-friendly setup and robust build make it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features like auto bed leveling ensure consistent, high-quality results. Despite lacking an enclosure and a physical interface, the M5C's wireless connectivity and compatibility with popular slicer software enhance its versatility. The print speed and precision are notable, making it ideal for users who prioritize quality and efficiency in their 3D printing projects. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C is a top choice for those seeking precision and reliability in a budget-friendly package. Specifications. Print technology. FFFFDM. Build area. 220 x 220 x 250 mm. Minimum layer resolution. 100 microns. Maximum layer resolution. 400 microns. Dimensions. 466 x 374 x 480 mm. Weight. 9.6 kilograms. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. Best large format 3D printer. If you want a printer that can output models as big as your imagination, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a great choice. It can output the large pieces you need to build cosplay helmets and props. We were able to print a very detailed 450mm Skyrim dagger by rotating it on the build plate, and, in inland silver plot plus filament, it looked good enough to bring to battle. We also outputted a 500mm tall purple dragon that would dominate anyone's display case or mantle. Like its little sibling, the Neptune 3 Pro, the Neptune 3 Max features a direct drive system that allows it to handle complex filaments such as TPU. In fact, using vase mode, we were able to output a flexible translucent green TPU trash can. The textured paint build platform did a great job of holding prints in place without the need for glue, and yet made removing them easy. Specifications. Product dimensions. 16.5 3D, x 16.53 watts x 19.68 H. Item weight. 24 pounds. Number 3. Best 3D printer for beginners. Anycubic Hopper 3 Combo. The Anycubic Hopper 3 Combo is an exceptional multi-filament 3D printer that stands out for its balance of affordability, versatility, and high performance. Its design integrates a solid metal frame, which reduces vibrations and enhances print quality. The addition of the Anycubic Ace Pro multi-filament box allows for easy multi-filament printing, making it an ideal choice for beginners and those looking to expand their creative capabilities. This printer is user-friendly, with a straightforward setup process that takes about 10 to 20 minutes from unboxing to being print-ready. The large touchscreen monitor and updated interface make navigation and operation simple and intuitive. The automatic bed leveling system ensures excellent first-layer adhesion, contributing to consistently high-quality prints. Build area. 220 x 220 x 250 mm. Dimensions. 480 x 480 x 570 mm. Weight. 10 kilograms. Number 2. Best 3D printer on a budget. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is an outstanding entry-level option that blends affordability with reliable performance. Its straightforward setup and user-friendly interface make it accessible for beginners. With auto bed leveling and a robust print platform, it delivers high-quality prints consistently. The absence of advanced features like a touchscreen filament runout sensor and camera might be a drawback for some, but for the price, it's a minor compromise. Overall, the Ender 3v3 SE stands out for its exceptional value, making it the best budget 3D printer for those venturing into 3D printing or seeking a cost-effective yet competent machine. Specifications. Print technology. FFFFDM. Build area. 220 x 220 x 250 mm. 365 x 345 x 458 mm. Weight. 6.5 kilograms. Number 1. Best 3D printer overall. Original Prusa MK4. The Original Prusa MK4 3D printer is an outstanding choice for businesses, setting a new benchmark for performance, with exceptional print quality and advanced features. It's ready to use out of the box, with minimal setup required, and offers high-speed printing with excellent reliability. The automatic bed leveling and first layer calibration make it easy to achieve perfect prints every time. Though it comes with a higher price tag, the investment is justified by its versatility and the quality of its outputs. The MK4 is ideal for professionals who need a dependable, high-performance 3D printer, capable of handling various materials and delivering top-notch results. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.